And now, all this stuff is all good and well, but I know why you're here. You're here because you want to make money out of coding. And I want to invite up Leyla, Seka, to talk to you about AppExchange.
Hello, everybody. I've been waiting 5 years to get invited to speak to you, and I am fired up to be here. My name is Leyla Seka. I run the AppExchange here at Salesforce, and I want to talk to you guys a little bit about it. First thing I want to talk to you about is we redesigned the AppExchange. About a month ago, we redesigned the site. We moved to a curation model. We did a couple things. One thing I wanted to tell you guys about is we redesigned the site with responsive web design. I'm trying to impress you. You understand? Look what we did. So really honestly what I want to talk to you guys about is the AppExchange. This is a vibrant and wild community of people out there trying to solve enterprise business problems. I mean, you see it, right? You just have to walk out into that hallway and you can get a real sense that our customers and prospects are hungry for your ideas. They want your ideas. They're waiting for you to tell them how you're going to fix their business, how you're going to make their business more social, how you're going to change the game for them so that they can really take it to the next level. And the AppExchange is the way you can get that app in their hands, right? So the whole notion of getting an app online, when I started 5 years ago, that wasn't even really real. And to be clear, the AppExchange existed before App Store. But we would have to talk about App Store. It would be remiss to not discuss App Store and what Apple has done. So let's take a look at Apple and talk a little bit about what they've done. They took an awesome platform, great packaging technology, and a wonderful distribution mechanism, and they turned the whole world upside down when it came to how people got apps. I mean, my 5-year-old can download an app, right? It's a paradigm we're all used to, we all understand, and that we're all super fired up about. And clearly, they've made a ton of money for a lot of people, right? $5 billion is not a joke. That's great. So that's really more of a consumer play, right? Those are great apps, lots of fun, lots of great stuff up there. But let's look at what we've done on the AppExchange, right? So if you think about the AppExchange, we did exactly the same thing. I mean, you heard it from Rob, you heard it from Jesper. We took an awesome platform, killer packaging technology, and a pretty wild distribution channel, and we've turned things on the enterprise side of the house. We have over 1,700 apps on the AppExchange and around $700 million in revenue. Now, I know my numbers aren't quite the same as Apple's, right? I mean, although $700 million ain't bad, but it's not quite on par with Apple. But we were thinking about this, and we were talking about this, and we thought, let's do a little simple math and see what this actually looks like to the individual developer. So, some simple division, right? If you're talking about the Apple side of the house or the consumer side of the house, that $7,000 is great, right? I like $7,000. I'll take $7,000. That sounds awesome, right? But let's talk about what the opportunity is on the AppExchange. Ladies and gentlemen, that's a lot of cheddar. That's a lot of cheddar. That's a lot of money. That's your money. Do you understand? These people are starving for what you're thinking about. You are the makers. You are the people that have the awesome idea. And I get it, right? I build the AppExchange. It's built on Force.com. I work with a development team. But this is your opportunity. This is a huge opportunity, okay? And we're ready for you. We're waiting for you. Come to the AppExchange. Get your good ideas built. Let's get them on the site, and let's get you guys out there and making all this cheddar, okay? So one last thing I wanted to talk about is, you guys are developers. You don't want to think about invoicing or financing or back-end or collections. That's why we built Checkout on the AppExchange. This allows you to put your app up on the AppExchange and have all of the purchasing processing run through the AppExchange. The only thing you need to do is get a merchant account and hook it up to the AppExchange. This is your time, okay? I've been building this thing for 5 years. It is ready for you now. It is ready for the ideas you have, for the innovation you have. And if I leave you with one thing, it's this. The enterprise apps market is real, it's here, it's hot. They're dying for what you're thinking about. They're waiting for you. So come, I built you this whole thing. We all did. We're waiting for your great ideas. We're waiting for you guys to set it off. This is your time, your marketplace. Bring it on.